Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. We are from Group C. Would like to present you Construction Engineering Technology and Management Project. We present you our team member. The first one is Samshul Ashraf. The second one is Ikmal Hisham. The third one is Nur Akila Kalisa. The fourth one is Nur Atira. And the last one is Muhammad Rafi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Shamsul Ashraf Shamsuddin, and my matrix number is CN21040. Okay, so I will present about background of the project. So the construction of buildings today has changed a lot from time to time and has a variety of building products and systems available. Each project undertaken will be dedicated to a particular group of organization or closely related to a particular construction process. Building design will often work well when the quality and performance of materials are reviewed, authority codes are adopted, and safety regulations are enforced. As long as the building design meets the requirement determined by experts according to the plan building design. In Malaysia, the Uniform Building Bylaws (UBBL) 1984 enacted under the Street Drainage and Building Act 1974 stipulate that all new buildings require submission of plans for approval prior to construction by a principal submitting person or PSP, such as a professional architect and professional engineer. Okay, so generally, each construction has component and structure as proposed, as the developer by Sime Darby. In this proposal, we propose construction of a shopping complex with an area of 34,200 meters per square in the Pago Education Hub area. Every component structure used for the construction of the shopping complex is contained in this proposal. Every building has a basic component such as the foundation, floors, walls, beams, columns, roof, stairs, and others. These elements serve the purpose of supporting, enclosing, and protecting the building structure. The construction of this shopping complex is also very important as it provides opportunities for locals to have jobs and open their own business around them. Not only that, with this construction, it can also make it easier for students to not bother to buy any goods in areas that are far from the campus area. With the Pago area just beginning to develop, our construction is very suitable to create facilities for the local community. Among the facilities that we provide in the area to facilitate the public are such things as cash machines, daily necessities, and others. To further develop the shopping complex may create several more attractions, such as providing space in the area if there are any exhibitions or specific events.
Objective: to developing the distinct function of the shopping centre toward marketing of a good and service, to inspire college students to save within sight the mall for their necessities. Feasibility study. A looking complicated project at Pago Instructional Hub is one among the come to flourish within the recent period. Thanks to the unfold of the culture of shopping and buying brand in general, and seen of the big age bracket in the age of young people, they're perpetually searching for a shopping mall who has the newest international trend in numerous fields comparable to the buying garment and the trendy technologies such as computer and smartphone, and even ready-made food served through international brand. Therefore, a shopping center project is one of the profitable projects due to the absence of objection. because it can depend upon the rental of shop, restaurant, and amusement game hall for kids and youth within the local center, compared to the profit and cost of a service provided through a shopping center.
Okay, so for our shopping complex building layout, we provided hypermarket, toilet surround, food court area, brand outlet, clothes shop, fast food cafe, and fast food restaurant. Not only that, we also provide event space, which is any event that can develop over there. And with the and we also provide parking area.
For the substructure component of the complex, foundation. We use a shallow foundation, which is a strip foundation, because it supports linear construction such as a wall or closely spaced column. It is used to support light structural loadings on soil with adequate bearing capacity. A strip footing is a steel-reinforced relatively short strip of concrete that is inserted into a trench. The material used for the foundation is concrete because it is very hard and strong in compression. Concrete is the greatest material for the foundation among all other materials used for the foundation. For the beam, we choose a plinth beam. A plinth beam is a beam that is built at the plinth level between the foundation and the wall. The concrete strength for the plinth beam cannot be less than 20 megapascal. Plinth beam must be at least 20 cm depth, and their plate must correspond to the final cost of the foundation. At the bottom of the beam, two bars with a minimum diameter of 12 mm are suggested. At the top of the plinth beam, two bars with a minimum diameter of 10 mm must be installed. A 25 mm concrete cover should be used to cover the reinforcement bars. In terms of straps, a minimum stirrup diameter of 6 mm and a minimum stirrup spacing of 15 cm. For a column can transfer load from a beam to a floor or foundation, or from a beam to a slab of the ceiling, floor, or roof. Columns should be positioned consistently throughout all floors to provide the best support for increase the stability of columns. Columns are built from material with strong compressive strength such as stone, brick, block, concrete, timber, steel, and others.
Okay, for superstructure component of the complex, first we go to the floor. Ceramic flooring has been chosen because it has many advantages from various aspects. First, the ceramic floor is eco-friendly because ceramic floor tiles are made using clay, sand, and glass as raw ingredient. Ceramic tile is made by combining these components with additional recycled resources. Many ceramic tiles are made from recycled material, and it also aids in energy conservation by keeping the building cooler in the summer. Next, ceramic floor is easy to use because they can also be printed to look like a variety of hardwoods, and the tiles can be fashioned into triangles, rectangles, and planks by cutting and shaping them. Ceramic tile is extremely hard, which makes it easy to clean and maintain. Next, for walls, for the selection of suitable wall for this building is a brick masonry wall for the entire wall of the building, because cement brick masonry wall have many options to use. The brick masonry wall has been chosen because the shape and size of masonry unit are uniform, and brick masonry does not require high trained labor. Bricks are also lighter than stone and concrete, easier to handle and transport and less expensive. Brick walls are thinner and depending on structural needs, units can be born with various types of mortar. Next, we go to doors and windows. For doors, automatic sliding doors has been chosen because automatic sliding doors tend to provide a safe, convenient environment for everyone when properly installed and inspected on a regular basis. The safety of the building will be guaranteed, protecting the building from any attackers if the automatic sliding door was chosen. Then, roller shutter also has been chosen for the next door because the most significant advantage of roller shutter is increased security. Because these gadgets are so close to the windows and doors, this is the case. Roller shutter require a lot of effort to operate efficiently. Thieves will have a difficult time breaking into our building if these shutters are locked from the inside. For windows, glass windows have been chosen because the glass window is a good material for the building with a lot of benefit given. Glass window is the best UV stable. It is common knowledge that the ozone layer is deteriorating. As a result, a better material that protects us from ultraviolet light is required. For the last part, we go to the roof. Flat roof has been chosen because the structure of the roof has a slight pitch for allowing water runoff and drainage. The advantage of this roof is easy to climb up on for inspection if there is a defect on it. Other than that, it has more stability and horizontal surface than a sloped surface for drainage. These roofs are also cheaper to record and install.
For costing of this project, as you can see, there's a list in the slide for everything that we calculate for substructure and superstructure. We estimate the cost for both superstructure and substructure are 23 million ringgit. We calculate the cost using the labor cost per unit of measurement. Summary for this project. Some risks can also additionally rise up while running on every development. The capacity to conquer the one risk is important to the project's success. There may be different risks on this operation as well. Cost overrun is the maximum common problem that arises in modern construction projects. As a result of the fee overrun, the undertaking income may be reduced. However, for you to reduce headaches springing up from the fee overrun, the lump sum constructing method may be used for this undertaking. This lump sum production approach calls for the contractor and the customer to agree on a positive amount of cash as a development fee, and the contractor should hold the undertaking is the agreed upon time, body, and the agreed upon quality. As a result, the contractor bear the danger of the fee overrun. The maximum critical trouble within the constructing region is task crowning glory delays. This pattern will go through giant losses due to the task passed to crowning glory. However, many construction initiatives to longer get finished on the schedule. As a result, the patron should take all the motion essential to save your dropping cash due to the delay. To keep away from losses, the crowning glory warranty certificate is the first class option. If the task isn't always finished on schedule, the contractor is needed to pay the liquidated damage to his patron below the actual certificate.